The Canadian nuclear reactor is what is known as CANDU, and that comes from Canadian and deuterium. Now, the reason why they put that together is that the water they use isn't normal, regular water. It's called heavy water. And what that means is that instead of regular light water, which just has oxygen and two hydrogens, it's got oxygen and two deuterium atoms. The deuterium is really just a hydrogen atom with an extra neutron in it. So the chemical element is defined just by the number of protons. So a regular hydrogen atom just has one proton. But if I stick a neutron in there and attach that neutron to that proton, it's still hydrogen chemically, but it's got twice the weight. And so it's called deuterium. It's an isotope of the hydrogen. And so if you replace all of the hydrogen in the water with deuterium, then you've removed a small neutron poison, which would have otherwise been found in the water. In a normal light water reactor, like we have here in the United States, the water is a slight neutron poison because the hydrogen can absorb a neutron and it acts therefore as a poison. So if you have deuterated water, you can actually have a nuclear power reactor with just natural uranium. You don't need to do a uranium enrichment. And why that's significant is that you don't have to have the threat of nuclear proliferation from uranium enrichment. Right now in Natanz, Iran, that's a big concern for the international community because they don't want Iran to make nuclear weapons with their uranium enrichment facility. And so if you're using CANDU reactors, you don't need to have uranium enrichment. Now, one of the other novel features of the CANDU reactors is that they can do online refueling. So the traditional Western reactors, the water goes up through the reactor core to go and make steam and make electricity. In the CANDU reactors, they're horizontal. So the water comes through horizontally, as does the fuel. When a fuel bundle comes in, it will push out another one. And so you can basically do online refueling and make electricity 24/7, 365 days a year.